Oba, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. Today we have something special. Our friend Petro brought us some beautiful sheftalies from Petros Cypriot Sheftalia, and here they are here. So today we're going to critique Petros Sheftalies and we're going to complement it with some beautiful traditional Cypriot salad with coriander, tomatoes, cucumbers and onion, and of course have our traditional bitters to complement our sheftalies as well. So I'm going to be honest today, and Petros did ring me the other day and asked me, come past Jack the Greek, come and pick up some of our sheftalies and come and critique them. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to cook them on the Crossray BBQ and we're going to try them. He's given me 3 different varieties: traditional, spicy, and chicken and halloumi. They're the ones that I really want to try today. Is beautiful chicken with halloumi sheftalies, which I've never had. So again, thank you again, Petro, and no doubt you'll hear my full critique at the end of the video. We're going to critique 3 different varieties of sheftalies today, all made from Petros Cypriot Sheftalia. And if you come in close, these are his details, and we want to thank Petro for providing our sheftalies for today. And of course, we're going to complement it with a beautiful Greek salad, Cypriot salad, which I'm going to show you how to make as well. But of course, let's not forget, we've got Crossray BBQ, where we're going to cook our beautiful sheftalies. And it is a bit cold today, and without our heat strip heaters, our outdoor heating, we won't be able to cook outdoors all the time. So thanks to them as well for their support. So here we go. We have our traditional Cypriot rods for sheftalies, but we're going to put them aside for now and have a look. And let's check out Petro's packaging. Let's open this one, come in close, and let's have a look. Beautiful packaging, beautiful food label, and of course we have the sheftalies here. So he has them covered with glare wrap for the 2 layers. Beautiful. Okay, excellent. Smells beautiful. And if you take it off, that gives you the chance to put the other plastic cover just there and close them if you're not going to use them all. And we're not going to do that. We're just going to use 6 today. So here are the 6 traditional ones just here. And let's have a look at the packaging of the other ones as well for consistency. Beautiful. Look at that. Bravo, Petro. Fantastic. Here we are. So we'll take out, beautiful. Look at that. There we go. We'll take out 6 as well, and we'll just put them here on the plate. And you've seen me many times before how I've passed the sheftalies through the souffles. Oh, we've just dropped out a bit of wind. There we go. And we have the 3rd one as well. And these ones are the ones that I really want to try, which are the chicken and halloumi sheftalies. And here we have them here. Again, covered beautifully and protected 1 layer at a time. And there they are. They're a little bit softer. I find them a little bit softer than the pork ones. So that's going to be interesting to see how we cook them. But it shouldn't be hard at all. It should be very similar. So we'll take 6 out as well, just like this. Beautiful. So there we have it. We have our sheftalies that we're going to try today. We're going to cook on the Crossray BBQ with our Cypriot salata. So there we have them. We have our halloumi ones, chicken and halloumi. We have our chili ones, pork and chili, and we have our traditional. So as I've shown you before, quite simple. You just pass them through the rod, just like this. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like this. There we go. And the same thing is what you'll do with the other ones. And if you remember from other videos, you'll sit there and then take them off at halfway, and we'll turn them over and spin them around so they can cook all the way through. I'll keep going and I'll be back in a minute. So here we have now our 3 different types of sheftalies. Our traditional, our chili, and our chicken halloumi version. And they're the ones I said earlier I really want to try. So we're on the Crossray BBQ. Oh, beautiful, nice and hot. And what we're going to do is just put them on. It'll take about 3 or 4 minutes on either side to cook, just like that. Coming close. Oh, fast. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I've got all 4 burners on low, and what I'm going to do is probably turn off the front 2 burners now, because it is quite delicate, our sheftalies, and we don't want to burn them or actually break them up by cooking them too quickly. So we'll leave them there for a couple of minutes now. Come back here, and let's prepare our salad. Let me show you how quick it is to make this beautiful traditional Cypriot salad. Grab your tomatoes, just like this, and put them on the side. Grab your onion, and let's clean that as well. Very simple, very easy. Clean it like this, take the first cover off, and we're good to go. Just like this. Beautiful. There we go. And let's have a look. As you can see, I'll quickly turn them over once they're ready, just to make sure that we're not going to overcook them or brown them too much, because we are going to turn them over a couple of times. So we've got our onion, just like here, and of course we need our cucumber as well. So very quick and easy. It's a beautiful salad, and it's also very quick and easy to make. Put that away. We got cucumber, straight down the middle, and then just slice it up. Just like this. And with our tomato as well. We're going to cut it off. It's there. And probably 2 tomatoes. 3, doesn't matter. Will be enough. So there we are. We've got those ingredients there. And of course, we've got our coriander as well here. Quickly, let's cut up our cucumbers. Doesn't matter how you do it. You cut them all together. Just like this. Nice and quick and easy. Nice and rustic. Don't have to measure every single one. And we'll just do it like that. There we go. Cut them up. Beautiful. Put that straight in there. The next one could be the tomato. Let's go for the tomato. Just like this. Cut it up. And with the tomato, we're going to cut it into small bits. Just like this. Into squares. There we go. Nice and rough. Doesn't have to be too special. One is our coriander. Grab a chunk. Freshly washed coriander. And just bunch it together. And cut it nice and small. Just like this. Again, coriander is coriander. Beautiful. Look at the smell of that. I can smell the freshness as I'm cutting it, which will complement Petro's beautiful sheftalies very soon. So there we have it. Beautiful. Put that away and put that in there. And that's how it's ready. Now, because we haven't got too long to go with our beautiful sheftalies, I'm going to dress it at the same time. Move that to the side and bring it up here. Very simple. Lather, olive oil, just like that, and plenty of salt. And we can't forget, we also need some vinegar. There we go. So we've got our vinegar. Red vinegar is the choice of most Cypriots. There we go. And now, you just turn it around like that. And there you go. Look at beautiful Cypriot style coriander with onion, tomato, and cucumber salad. Now, just cleaning up here a little bit, just to get ready for plating. So we're still a couple of minutes away from that. But, as you remember last time, it's time to turn over our sheftalies. And what I mean by turning them over is repassing them on the soula. Just here. So you turn them around like this, and you pass them through the other way. And that's the way you make sure that they get nice and cook nice and even. Beautiful. And that's Jack's the Greek's way. Some people don't do that at all. But I like doing that. I find that it maintains the moisture of the sheftalies without overcooking it. So there we go. That's one, and I'll keep going. And we'll be back in about 3 minutes to plate it all up. And now it's time to put our pitas. And yep, these are typical Cypriot traditional pitas that are made locally, just here as well. And if you're nice to Petro, he'll actually tell you where you can actually get some. So here they are, beautiful pitas. And today we're not going to make souvlaka, but we are just going to cook them and warm them up on the grill. Come in close and have a look and see where we're up to. The souvlas are getting a little bit warm, so I'm just going to use my towel here. And as you can see, look at that. Look at that beautiful cover. Beautiful colour. And these ones are the chicken and halloumi. Look at them. You can see it coming through. And there you go. They're the spicy ones. And here are the traditional Cypriot pork sheftalies there. Beautiful. And by the time we put our pitas on now, just either side, just a couple here, our entire lunch to feed the family will be ready. Back in a couple of minutes to plate everything up. Okay. Yeah, here's a bit of a sneak peek of a traditional Cypriot pita. You can know if it actually is Cypriot and it is traditional. Look at the pita. Look at it starting to rise. And that's what you want to see in your Cypriot pita. If it doesn't do that, it's not a Cypriot pita. So now, we'll just grab it and turn it over. See? There you go. And you'll see the other one as well here. Look at it, starting to lift. Look, opa, there we go. Now turn it over. And you know it's ready as they start lifting. And look at this one as well. Opa. And that one there as well. Let's have a quick look. Opa, we're nearly ready. We're nearly ready to plate up a beautiful sheftalies. Of course, opa, look at this one. Look at it go. The back one here is puffing up as well. Beautiful. And this one here. And now, that's how you know when you've got a beautiful Cypriot bitter. Opa. It's time now to plate up our beautiful sheftalies and our pita breads. So, let's grab our pita breads. Opa. Oh, nice and warm. They're just like that. Opa. Oh, look at that one. That's still puffed up. Beautiful. And another one there. Oh. Now with these ones, traditionally you can make a souvlaki out of them, but I'm just going to cut them in half. Oh, look at all that steam coming out. Cut them in half, just like that. And we're going to plate them up on the side. For now, we're going to take off our beautiful sheftalies, and we don't want to burn ourselves. These ones here are our traditional Cypriot sheftalies. Here they are. So we're going to put them just there. We're going to leave this one here, Petro, because that's the one we're going to taste. Put that away. And we'll grab the next ones, which are the chili ones. Here they are here. Beautiful. Oh, we'll put them there. Oh, beautiful. Bit hot there as well. Put that away. And our last ones, which I'm really looking forward to critique, excuse me, for all my viewers, is the beautiful chicken with halloumi. And that's them there. Traditional chili and halloumi. Before we try them, we're just going to finish plating up our dish. And with here, we're just going to put on the side, move that over a little bit, just like that. And we'll put our beautiful salata just in the middle. There we go. Just there. A bit more on this side. And there we have it. Just like that. A bit more coriander. Beautiful. There we go. The rest will be for the family. And of course, a couple of lemons, just like this, and 2 or 3 pita breads up the back here, just like this. There we go. Now, let's critique them, Petro. And to all my viewers, this is the traditional one. Come in close and let's have a look. Beautiful. Look at that. Cooked all the way through. Now, let me try it. Fluffy, plenty of salt, plenty of onion, which is what you expect in a sheftalia. Very tasty. And you're going to ask me why didn't I put the lemon? So I wanted to actually taste the flavour of the meat. Beautiful. The one with the chili, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Mmm. Beautiful. You can just feel the chili. It's not overpowering. You can still taste the beautiful onions. Excuse me, melano. And also the pork flavour coming through. This is the one I've been looking forward to. This is the chicken and halloumi. There we go. You can see the different colour. Straight up. Beautiful. Mmm. Beautiful. That's pretty good. While we're here. Beautiful. I can taste the cheese coming through the meat. Not overpowering and just enough to enjoy an alternative to the traditional sheftalia. So I'll put them a little bit there just for me to enjoy later. And of course, pile on the lemoni for these ones just here before we plate them up. And there we have it. We'll put this away. And thank again our friend Petro for trusting us to cook his beautiful sheftalies and being happy that Jack the Greek can give a fantastic critique that is open and honest. And I think these are a fantastic option, an alternative to any other kind of cooking that you might want to do at home by enjoying a beautiful Cypriot Sheftalia. And of course, over here is Petros details. Just here, Petros Sheftalia. And of course, you can't forget, when you get a bit thirsty, enjoy it with a mythos. Opas from Jack the Greek.